Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Begin by confirming the battery chemistry and voltage before using the Yonhan charger. Match the charger output to the battery, such as 12V versus 24V settings. Always wear safety glasses and gloves when handling batteries and charger connections. Place the charger on a stable, non-conductive surface at least 3 feet from the battery. Make sure the workspace is ventilated to disperse any hydrogen gas that can form. Keep sparks, open flames, and electronics away for safety reasons. Attach the red clamp to the battery positive terminal and then the black clamp to negative. Double-check that clamps are secure and that polarity is correct before powering the charger. Set the charger voltage to match the battery, for example 12V for a 12-volt battery. Choose a charging current suitable for capacity, for example 2A for small batteries and up to 10A for larger ones. Plug in the charger and select the appropriate mode for lead-acid or lithium cells. Begin charging only after confirming all settings and connections are correct. Monitor battery voltage and temperature periodically during charging to avoid overcharge and overheating. Use the charger display or a multimeter to confirm voltage progress toward full charge. Estimate charging time by dividing battery capacity by current. For example, a 50Ah battery at 10A charges in about 5 hours. If the battery becomes hot or emits odor, stop charging immediately and ventilate the area. After the charger indicates completion, unplug the unit from mains power first. Remove the negative clamp before removing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.